I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yellow.
Good afternoon and good night. Yes, Sarah.
I don't like yellow.
Yes, please.
I'm
Do you want strawberry and raspberry?
Yes.
Okay, finish the banana. All of it. You guys, see I started my hair last night. I didn't go to bed until after midnight. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new day here. And I'm up. This stuffiness, once it touched the night, it's just get me completely. Anyway, I'm trying to push through it because I have a long day ahead of me. Today I have to go on the road. So I'm up early. Sarah slept through the night without calling me to make her pee-pee, so I got a good decent night rest. You don't want any more? Wipe your hands. So I'm in the kitchen right now, about to make some breakfast and wake my husband up so he can have something to eat, so we can head on the road to handle some business. I need to go to my driving school this morning to schedule my practical lessons starting immediately because I am wasting no time. I am ready, okay, to get to the next step of my driver's license. So that's what we're up to this morning. And somebody of course wants to say good morning. Sarah, you're so excited to talk to Faves. Say good morning.
Papa.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Let's make porridge.
No, I didn't make porridge. I just warm it for Tyler.
Let's make sandwich.
No, we make sandwich for lunch, if that's what you want. But right now I'm making eggs. You want eggs to eat?
Yeah. And can you help?
You want egg?
Two eggs.
You want egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Mama.
It's for the 2 eggs.
You want 2 eggs?
Already.
What you want to eat with the egg? You want bread or just the egg?
Bread.
You want bread too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, can you mix?
Wait, so let you mix.
No!
Wait! Not this one. I'll give you the other one, okay?
Okay.
I'm trying to get yours done so it can cool, so you can eat it. Come so Faves can see you. Come here so Faves can see you.
Mama.
Yes,
I have a baby.
Kyla is at the table eating porridge. I have porridge in the fridge, so I didn't need to make any porridge this morning. I'm making your egg, okay?
Yeah.
Sarah is not a fan with the egg when it have cheese in it, so she likes it this way. I find that she used to hate egg, but once I make it like omelette, she'll eat it. You want sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get the mustard.
You want egg sandwich?
No.
No? You just want the egg?
Sandwich.
You want sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sandwich.
What you want on the sandwich?
I put it in the microwave.
You have to put it in the microwave.
So,
Okay, so Mama make egg for you?
yeah. Put the egg in the...
And you want your pork?
Yes.
And Mama cut it?
Yeah.
And you
Mama,
want,
I want the egg.
and you want bread?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Wait, see your fork here. Mama have fork for you already. Wow. Pretty. What you want Mama to put on your bread? You want butter or you want Mama have something yummy that you might like on your bread. Look.
What?
Strawberries.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Wow. It's yummy. What happened, Baba?
I'm trying to open it. Oh, you want strawberry on your bread?
Yeah.
Yes. Got this strawberry on your bread. Strawberry jam.
Mama,
Yes. No. What do you want?
it's happy birthday to Papa.
No, it's not Papa's birthday. All right, breakfast for the husband. All done.
Sarah.
Comment c'est ça?
Oui.
C'est là.
Quoi?
Papa coup de beurre. Oui.
Hello!
Oui.
I'm on the road. I had breakfast and cleaned around the back of my hair so that when I go home I can just install the hairs. Right now we're at the library to drop books and pick up books for the kids. So that's the first stop of the morning. Princess, which book you have? Sarah, which book you're reading? Chuppy? Say Chuppy? Sarah? Is Chuppy? Yeah. And of course, you know, Tyler in the Naruto and this other one that he's obsessed with, another French character. I don't remember what it's called. I don't remember. Tintin. I think it's Tintin. He's obsessed with Tintin. I think it's called Tintin in English. But this library that we're at is not the one in town that I normally go to. It's our community library. Good little size, nice little space for the kids. Sarah, you okay? Sarah insists on putting on her pepper dress. Come and show Faves your pepper dress. Stop right there. Back up so Faves can see your dress. Wow, you're pretty. You're reading? Okay. Which book you're reading? Show Mama. Show Mama which book you're reading. Yes. Is Pisha? Okay. She says her teacher. Okay, go and read your book. She knows exactly where to go to find her book. Okay. And see Tyler. Tyler right here in the brown down there. Which one you taking home with you, Sarah? Which one is that? Trotro?
Yeah.
Ok. Tu veux un autre?
On this.
C'est qui?
C'est des couleurs.
Pourquoi? Pourquoi?
C'est chippy.
C'est Chippy.
Oui.
Ah. Tiens. Tu veux chercher un autre? Sarah? Tu veux chercher un choupi? Tu veux un choupi aussi? Hmm?
I don't like chippy.
Tu n'aimes pas choupi? Ok.
Trop.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
See Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. She says she wants this one. Ready? We're having pastry break. Look at this girl. Look at her. What you eating, honey? Pain chocolat. What are you eating? Of course, pain chocolat. Mama is eating croissant. Haven't had a croissant in a long time. I can't tell the last time I have a croissant. It wasn't in the plan for today, but my kids.
Mama, I can't tell last time I got
The last night.
yesterday.
Look at her. It's yummy, Sarah. Hello. You don't cry for things. You hear me? Ready? Look. Hey. Yay.
Again.
Whoop. Tidip. Look at Mama. Tidip. Say hello, Fibs. We're at the park. Hold on at all times. Never let go, okay? We're here at the swing and Papa and Tyler is somewhere on the other side. You want me to help you? Pointy, 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 pointy.
Mama, go here.
Okay. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Yeah. Wait, your friend is coming.
Oh no!
Ready? Whoa! Ah! That was good. Tyler playing tennis, stick tennis with his friend he found. Pay attention, Ty, he's coming. And Sarah is just being Sarah, running around. Try and keep your eye on the ball. Pasho. Catch it! Ah! Finally finished doing my hair, everything installed, hair done, and I rushed get dinner done. I had nothing prepared, I had nothing in mind, so I had to just scramble through the fridge and catch some things which can take me 20 minutes to get done. This is what I come up with. So everybody's having a little bit of everything different today because like I said, I just scrambled through. So I had some shrimp on hand, I give that to babe. I had two hamburger meat, so I give one to Sarah and one to Tyler, and then I had a piece of chicken, so I took that for myself, and just 2 pieces of the shrimp, and that's it for dinner. And I had small in the fridge, and I hurry up and steam green beans, and yeah, dinner for today done. Ready? Can you guys tell they're excited for movie night? Sarah, stop jumping. Popcorn popping. Movie night. I'm already eating the popcorn. Come babe, let's end the vlog because let's end the vlog.
What's up, Wagwan? Right, we go watch Jamaican movie.
No.
We are go watch the movie in Jamaican patois. Put Jamaican patois in
They
there.
in a guan. Galang, galang.
Rio number 2 in patois. He must say, I walk one dog. I fly.
You guys, just on popcorn.
We need to create our own company.
Our own popcorn company.
No, our own movie company that's going to translate movie in Jamaican patois. You think you're gonna walk? Yeah.
But Jesus, Sarah. No, honey, not gonna work. Watch out. They're taking over. Come, tell Face night. We're going to watch movie just to burn you. Alright, night. Exit the chat.
You want coca?
Yes. Me too.
Alright, get down.
Do the slide, Sarah. Yahoo!
Down.
Here.
While Papa preparing the drink.
Yeah, it's like a cocktail for me. I just put one and the other one.
Mama is preparing and eating the popcorn. It will be the last movie night on a Saturday for me. Because your girls start working Monday. And I have no Saturday available for a while.
I will continue the movie night.
Of course. So they'll have movie night without me. But it's okay. Hey! Don't do that. But anyway, you guys, come in the vlog. Babe, in the vlog. You guys, can you believe that I also clean up and finish dinner here?
You sounds like it's a miracle.
Of course, it's a miracle.
So what you gonna do now?
Go watch
you
movie.
do?
Nothing. I was gonna iron.
And edit.
I was gonna iron, but I
You
changed
should
my
also
mind.
massage my foot in the same time.
I won't give you
My
a big
back.
slap right in your
My
face. That's
After
cool.
I think there's the curtain to wash outside. You want to do that too? Okay, we
And
can
back
do
on
that.
the sky.
We can do that tomorrow. Alright, it's time for the movie. So we're gonna watch some things with the kids. We're gonna make no noise at
Why are you back?
all.
Go down. Go down there.
Gonna have fun. But it's time to let you go.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch my keep up, and everybody's waiting on their popcorn. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.